Hello children, today we will learn uses of animals. We get many things from animals. We should not kill them for fun. We should take care of them. So we should always take care of the animals whom we keep at our home or in farms, or we should take care of those animals who help us. If we do not tease them, they will not harm us. So when we will not tease animals, they will also not harm us. So now let us see how animals help us, or what are the uses of animals. Like buffaloes and cows give us milk. Ducks and hens give us eggs. Sheep give us wool. Donkeys and mules carry our loads. So they carry our loads. Donkey, mules, even elephant also sometimes carry our loads. Bullock. Bulls draw carts and help our farmers. So you can see one picture of cart here. Silkworms give us silk. So here is the picture of silkworm, and this is silk. Bees give us wax and honey. So here you can see the picture of beehive and bees. Here from this we get honey and wax. We get many useful things from the skin of dead animals. So dead animals' skin are also used for making different things. Like we call them leather articles. So here are the examples like shoes, belt. This one is belt, this is bag, this is jacket. Now, did you know? The snake eats rats and prevents the crop from getting spoiled. So, snakes also help the farmers or help us by eating the rats and prevent the crops from getting spoiled. So, this is a snake. The earthworm helps the farmer by making the soil soft. So, earthworm also help the farmer by making the soil soft. Have you seen earthworm? So, here this one. This is earthworm. So, things we have learned. We get many useful things from animals. We should take care of them. They give us milk, egg, wool, silk, honey. They carry our loads. They pull carts. We make many things from the skin of dead animals. So now let us solve the exercise question answers. Answer the questions. Name two animals that give us milk. Buffalo, cow. Name two animals that carry our loads. Donkey, mule. Who gives us wax and honey? It is bee. Name two leather articles. So, shoe, bag. I have added another one, that is belt. Name two animals that draw carts. Bull, horse. Now, we can match two columns, column A and column B. So, bees will match with wax. Sheep will match with wool. Sheep give us wool. Hen will match with eggs because hen gives us eggs. Then buffalo, it will match with milk because buffalo give us milk. And silkworms give us silk. Now fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Leather, many silkworms, fun, tease. So Animals give us many things. Many will come in the blanks. We should not dash animals. That means we should not tease animals. We should not kill animals for fun. Skin of dead animals is called leather. Silkworms give us silk. Now solve the riddles. My home is a hive. I give you honey. So it will be bee. I help the farmer. I draw cards too. It will be bullock. It is bullock. Now we will do some activity. Draw a beehive. Let me show the picture of beehive to you. This is the picture of a beehive. It is original beehive. You can draw like this also. Collect pictures of useful animals and paste them. You can do yourself this activity. Match the animals and the things that they give us. So sheep we have already done, wool, then cow, it will give us milk, then ducks will give us what? Eggs, and silkworm will give us silk. So today up to this.